Hello everyone, and welcome to another live stream. Hi there, Cecil Pretzel. Hi there, Another Good Duck. Hi there, Siphon. Hi, welcome. I'm fine. How about you? I haven't asked yet. How you doing? I'm glad to hear you're doing fine. I see the temporal dimension is struggling clearly at the moment. How are you all doing? Make it is 2:30. Is it now? Oh, I suppose you are right. I suppose it is. I have to wake up in the morning. Well, wake up, am I right? I'm not falling asleep. But yeah, I have to be awake in the morning because I have some business to be attended to. You'll see soon what it's gonna be. That's not that exciting. The video is more exciting. And speaking of the video, actually, I've been going over this for quite some time now. I have to go like 30 minutes. It's fine, Mr. Blaze. I'll just be walking on the video. It's fine. Because Maker's getting married soon. Well, don't spoil it. Inadequate. Give him 50 years. Woof. Wow, okay. So we're feeling mean today, are we? Okay, well, I didn't do anything to... I was just trying to be nice. I asked you about your day. It's fine, whatever. Just... Okay. Okay, well, it's fine. Yeah, let's just walk on the video, you know? How about that? How about just go ahead and walk on the video, because clearly it's fine. Whatever. I don't care. I don't even care. I don't even care. Give me my taskbar back. I don't even care. Anyhow, I've almost finished scripting the video, and I have got the renders working. Like energy segment is already rendered, atoms is rendered up to this point. Is rendering as we speak, actually, or is it rendered? There we go. It's rendered up to this point, and right here what we're gonna need a sigma and streaming. Thank you. A sigma and a pi. We're gonna need. This duck has an inadequate mind. So mean, for no reason. I've done nothing. Alright, now give me this, and 137.83. So like so, and so like so. And then is gonna be right here in the middle, and then it's gonna be, this one is going to go right, this one is going to go left, and then extrude in the third dimension like so. There we go. And then individual origins. Make them bigger. There we go. I have to type an essay on my phone now. Why are you typing an essay on your phone? Standard deviation and pi. Exactly, that's precisely what it's about. It's about standard deviation and pi. Why don't I have the white node, which is just glowing white? Oh yeah, because you can't tell it against the background. Never mind, text is better than. And right here, we also want them far enough so that they are in focus. Like this, even further. Actually, no, we don't. I mean, we would like them a bit further, at the very least. There we go. Let's make them bigger, let's make them smaller, let's bring them up, and sweet. Now 600, because why not? And right here, we're gonna keyframe them, and right here, we're gonna bring them down, and we're gonna also change the distance to reflect on that in order to make sure that they're all in focus, in order to make sure that everyone can see them, and there we go. Lovely. Would you look at that? Finish, lovely, nice. Neat. Render. viral math vid coming up? No, it's a chemistry one. It's a chemistry video of something. Would you mind? Just thank you. Why can't I make a viral chemistry video? Why only math videos? I conclude that Maker is making a video about distribution. It's chemistry. It's the sigma and pi bond. Take out loans for funds. How do loans work in Poland? How are you expecting me to answer this? Like loan. You go to the bank and take... What? Actually, we don't have loans in Poland. We haven't invented money yet. We don't use money. We use wheat. Okay. I don't need a loan yet. I have funds. I'm running out of them. I'm in the red, but I have funds. It's actually a lot of fun because I get to see the number go down and it's... Yeah, it's fun. I'm having fun. I'm good. I'm having fun. Let's just work on the video to make sure that I get the funds. Are the characters going down or did I not key them? I might have not keyframed them. Let's see. Ah, they are coming down. It's fine then. Okay, cool. Also, another thing, I would like to finish the script of the video and just animate some more. Carbon is an atom, but the preserve organic chemistry. So why carbon? How carbon? Which carbon? What carbon? What is a carbon? Carbon is an atom. Okay, sweet. We could start by scripting actually, since we're rendering the background. In the red means you're in debt. Your statement is therefore contradictory. You apparently have funds and are in debt, which is mutually exclusive. No, in red means that you're losing more than gaining. Being in the red means that I'm losing more money than gaining each month. That's that kind of in the red. I'm not completely in the red with all my savings. I'm just in the red with my money making. Which is fine, whatever, it's alright, it's good. I don't have to worry about nothing. I'm certain with next 2 months I'll manage to make another video that will blow up and it's gonna be fine. As someone younger than you, I must correct your folly. How would you know that you're younger than me? What if I'm 14? Huh? What if I'm 12? You don't know. Make a peace, don't make me stay up for 2. I'm not making you, go to sleep. Greg, this is gonna be 2 hours of me walking on a video. You're not gonna miss out on much. Carboxylic acid is the most... Yeah, alcohol is lower down the line. You should live stream for extra income. No, I prefer charity. I mean, if I'm forced to, then I will make like a live stream where I just try to collect my money for rent. Because, well, if I'm evicted, then I won't really be able to stream for charity, will I now? However, until that comes, I'm not gonna. Or get sponsors. I'm only gonna accept sponsors whom I believe in. I've already mentioned that before. Every moment in Make It stream is a moment well spent. Unless you have to sleep, you know? Greg, for goodness sake. Also, I have coffee. Damn it. I'm like 1 sip left. Piss. You should do a bank heist. I agree. I should. Imagine the content. Let's lower down the line. Now, I do believe that the list of them was in the 4th chapter. That's not what I'm looking for. I am looking for seniority order for acids. I'm not looking for acids. I'm looking for seniority order in general. Suffixes, yes. There we go. Wait, I already missed it. Seniority order for acids? No, in general. Seniority order for suffixes. There we go. Oh no, that's peroxy. Oh, piss. So first one is carboxylic. And then you have all the other ones. Suffix and functional replacement analogs, that's the one I'm looking for, decreases order of seniority. Should I make coffee and do an all-nighter for make it? No. I have an actual reason to stay up. As I mentioned, business and live stream and video. I thought we solved this with amphetamines. You know what? Screw it. If y'all want to sleep deprive yourself, go for it. Who am I to stop you? Am I right? Is that carbon and sulfur? For a second I thought it was cesium and I was confused. Lower down line. If we start with the most seen group from which we try to make the longest chain, just attach addition once. Right here we should come up probably with some kind of chain as an example. So how about we color everything black and we do, well, carboxylic, of course, because COOH, so that's MFF prop, that's prop so far. Isn't it around 72 hours it's hallucinating or some? It depends on the person. This video is sponsored by NordVPN. Absolutely not. For anyone who doesn't know, there's surfaces after the war like went. Yep. Now that's carboxylic. We're also gonna chuck in alcohol and freaking what? Sulfonic acid. We could sulfinic acid. Wait, what's the suffix like? Because you don't have suffixes listed. Oic acid. Oh, I see. That's the name and that's the suffix in it. Oic. Okay, so let's just pick something at random, something relatively simple. Nitrile. Because why not? Why not? Oh, no. Cool. Nitrile. So like this, like this, like this, like this, like this, like this. Actually, let's shorten this up. Right here, do like an oxygen, and right here we're gonna have an offshoot from which we will add in CHO. So like this. And now, if I am not mistaken, which I might be, but I'm gonna double check myself just to be absolutely certain and sure in a second. Right here we select the longest chain, which is, this one is connected, meth, F, prop, but, pent, hex, hept, oct, non. So that will be nonane or non, I think non, hold on. List of alkanes. Spelled perfectly on the first try. 9 should be nonane, okay. Nonoic acid, I think it's gonna be. Chemistry is just lines, to be honest. You're not wrong exactly. Organic, I suppose. Because inorganic is different. I think it was called ecstasy. My goodness. Carbo, what acid, carbo, whatever. Oh, what line was it? Piss, this, right? Here, cool. Oic acid, so oh my goodness, I've picked quite a name. Decanoid, you know, let's just go with decanoic, because I'm, whatever. Let's just go with decanoic. Here we have decane, added the carboxylic acid, is it? Did I remember that right? Carboxylic acid, look at me. Which means decanoic acid, and then just index them from the functional group back. If you stream for 4 hours, I'm good to wake up, make it. Go for 4. Fine. Fine, I'll do. If you had to choose one field of science and every researcher in that field died instantly, which one would you pick? That's a good question. One field of science and everyone... Well, I mean, I could always pick not theory. I feel like the casualties would be minimal if I pick not theory. That's a tough one. One field of science, every researcher dies. I think... the one with superpositions, then Schrödinger would be happy to. That's a good one. I think not theory, just to minimize the casualties, you know? Back. Right here we can see that we have ethanol, methanol, ethanol. Is it methanol or methanol? No, wait, methanol would have a single carb. Yes, methanol. Methanol on the 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth carbon. And piss, what was its name? Carbaldehyde. And that's just al. Carbaldehyde on the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. Meaning, and now it's time for me to make up the name and then actually see if it exists, hopefully. Decanoic acid, that would be the end of it, and then 4 methanol 5, 6, 7 all decanoic acid. I think that would be the name of this molecule. It looks plausible, but decanoic acid, I got that right. It is decanoic acid. That's good. Semi-demi, hemi. Decanoic acid, but did I get the naming right? Absolutely no clue. 4-methanol 7-ol decanoic acid. I think I got it right, although there is no way to tell unless someone confirms it for me. So I'm also going to ping flame. Also flame. Actually, I already pinged him. Would this be copy paste? Oh, I can't paste this. That's phenomenal. Give me the screenshot. Make a sentence walking all the time, exactly. Okay, cool. Now, does get a bit more advanced. That's because there are a lot of certain shapes that can't name. For example, even though you can add a cyclohexane, and it would just actually, oh, how would it change the name cyclohexane? Because rings take priority. How would a ring change the name? Is there like an online IUPAC name generator for me to double check if I got it? Oh, structure to name. I like it. Yes. So that's methane. Oh, hell yeah. Functional. How do I add functional groups? That's erase, clear, center, clean. No, I mean... Okay. We have... That's wrong. Pentane. Just go away. Okay, cool. Yeah, sick. Okay, neat. Oh, do I actually have to read this? I've exceeded the maximum of 3 transactions allowed. I very much can keep going if I just turn you off. So, if you don't mind... Oh, no, wait, that's not changing the name, is it? Oh, damn it. Okay, never mind then. Structure to name. EDU. Oh, that's cool. Okay, sick. It was fun, good to go now. Alright, Mr. Blaze, bye. Single bond chain. Okay, so chain. What does smiles mean? Okay, that's not what I'm looking for. IUPAC name. Then click on the Get Smile Summit for IUPAC name button. Benzene. That is not benzene. That does not look like benzene. With all due respect. You need to upload and click Get Smiles and submit. With all due respect. I love how Maker is spending more time looking for ways to not pay for a video, and then he spends 200 hours making $7 in ad revenue. Exactly, these don't cover my costs. With all due respect, that is not benzene. Heptane. There we go, now we're gaming, okay. So, heptane, octane, nonane. That is the one we are looking for. Nonane, neat. Now we want to add functional group. Wait, we want 1, 2, 3, 4 on the 1, 2, 3, 4 right here, offshoot, and then another offshoot into the oxygen, hydrogen. Oh, you are such a clever tool. My goodness. Propylheptane. Yes, that makes sense. Okay, no, that checks out because this is a functional group. Okay, good. That's good. Now carbon, oxygen. That's not what I meant. Oxygen, with carbon. Piss. Extended table. May I have carbon, oxygen. Piss, add. Ah, damn it. Piss, crap, shucks. Hi, the farmer main, hi. How do I add carboxylic acid in this tool? Hi there, Ali. Hi, welcome. Ah, piss, shucks, gosh dang it. That's just hydrogen. That's not what I'm looking for at all. How do I add functional groups? There must be some way to add function periodic table. Well, not quite I'm looking for, because I'm kind of looking for a functional group. Any atom. Not, okay, also no. Wait! Carbocyclic. I might be just an idiot. Cyclic group. carboxylic carbo. Draw a second methyl group and change it to oxygen. Saying draw a second methyl group, change it to oxygen, like this. No, wait, this. Oh, okay, that, yeah, no, that, yeah, okay, no, yeah, no, that, yeah, no. Unless you don't mean like this. Because there are hydrogens attached? Wait, what do you mean? Understand now. I still don't, because the thing is... So now I'm looking for it all. Quit adding more. Carbon 2. Oh, I see now. Okay, so it's like this. So just... No, wait, just oxygen. Just, I would like just oxygen, please. Can I get... Can the... Oh, wait, no. Could the hydrogen piss off? It couldn't. That makes sense. It's OH with carbon, which is to oxygen double bond. However, hypothetical. I am a genius. I am a genius. I'm so clever. I get the tool now. I understand. I'm learning. Now get smiles. Submit smiles for a name. Wait, is this not a carboxylic group? Oh no, that's still all. Why is it all? No, it's good. It's apparently not good, because that counts as an alcohol for some reason. It can't, no, it can't be good, because... I'm looking for carboxylic acid. It is carbon double bond oxygen. That's not alcohol! Believe me when things... I believe you, but the name is off, isn't it? Or am I wrong? Then isn't the name off? Because this is a functional group of carboxylic acid, which takes priority over... The name is off. Well, that's pretty bad, because I'm doing it for the name. Actually, Pharmamain, you know what? Screw the online tool. You're gonna be my online tool. Pharmamain. If I have something like this, which is decane, with a carboxylic group, and alcohol, and whatever that one is, I forgot. Would it be 4-methanol 7-aldecanoic acid? Because decane, decanoic acid carboxylic, 7-ol because on 7th carbon we have this one, and 4-methanol because there is methanol on the 4th carbon. Is that correct? Get Flame the chemist. No, Pharmamain is organic chemist. Pharmamain is Pharmamain walk. Would the website still be correct then? There are 11 carbons. Don't don't mind this one. Oh yeah, you are right. There are 11 carbons because of... Wait, this one counts for the 11? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This one counts for the 11th? Carbon in the carboxylic counts then. Okay, so I need to get rid of the bottom one. If carbon in the carboxylic counts. Why was I showing it on the Google Docs when I just have Paint open? I don't know. So I have to get rid of this for it to be decay. Counts. Okay. So this then would the name be appropriate now? So 4-methanol because 1, 2, no, it would be 5-methanol now. Because then this would be 1, 2, 3. Actually, let me change the color to be more visible. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so would the name be correct if I change this one to 5-8? Is this now correct? Or does the carbon doesn't count and we start indexing from here? From this one. Oh boy, organic chemistry IUPAC is festive. It's really festive. Formaldehyde group. Oh, you with your fancy words. It annoys me too. I mean, it is a lot. There is a reason why the IUPAC has, I think, 11 chapters. There's a lot of chapters, and all of them are so long. Oh, okay. I'm gonna end the video after this example because, well, I don't have the time. It's a weekly upload. And also, it's already a lot. Going through the entire IUPAC would make for such an awful video simply because it's so many exceptions. Because there are so many things which you can construct from basic components that still you have no way to name. Is Farmermain getting the intro with this one? I mean, if Farmermain wants a blue nickname, Farmermain can have a blue nickname. If Farmermain can confirm the 2 molecules I have for me, then that passes for the blue nickname check. Okay, so. Cool, I'm back. 8-methyloxo. 8-methyloxo. Is it because it's oxo? Because, I mean, the thing is, I got the al from the 4th chapter right here, where it says that this is al. This is carbaldehyde. Whatever. You can see it on the screen. I'm not pronouncing that. That's where I got it from. Unless I should specify that it's carbon and only then hydrogen oxygen. Most important group that takes priority. Priority, how do you mean with priority? What kind of priority does it take? Carbaldehyde, aldehyde stuff. Oh, so it's... Wait, so because it's... Could you not just use a different compound making, the one that actually has no name? I could, but then what's the point? But then what's the point of making a video if I don't understand myself? On the higher groups, this example is all. In this PDF. Oh, so it takes priority right here, but here it doesn't. It doesn't take priority here because in this case, the acid takes priority, which means that now... That's so unbelievably confusing, I gotta say. Okay. I just want to go on and limb and say that is absolutely awful, which means... So you're saying it will be... Hold on, let me find it again. Okay. Methyloxo makes sense because oxo, because of that's the oxygen modifier, whatever it's called. Is it indeed in this one? That's peroxol. Oh yeah, I'm gonna have to throw every single oxygen in the room. There will be 2 scientist chemists. What will happen now? Make it. How do you mean? Flame and farm. Yeah, but flame is more into theoretical chemistry and farm is more into organic. Farm previously stated that he doesn't want the channel on Discord. I already asked Farm a while back ago. Oh, could you hear my bones crack on that one? Jeez. Always need a good stretch before doing organic chemistry. Don't bring Boo into this, duck. $45. Because there was a problem where basically there are multiple viable names. Wait, I'm waiting. I am waiting. I'd like to see the molecule again. It's this one. I'm waiting. Okay. Oh, the elementary particles video is already dying. It's only been 4 days. And it's already... Oh, goodness gracious me. That's great news. That's fun. I'm fine. I'm fine. I'm fine. I just need to make new videos. Every week, weekly uploads, everyone. Weekly uploads. 30,000 is good enough. I would need 100,000 per video. That's what I would need, actually. Since it's around... Well, to be to be realistic. Let's not go with the optimistic estimate, only the realistic one. It's around $2 per 1,000 views. So 100,000 would be $200. That times 4, if I do weekly uploads, means $800 a month, which would still put me in the red, but only slightly, so you know. It's something. Because, oh, yeah, OBS disconnected right as I started talking about the taxes. From that, you also have to subtract the taxes, but you can also add the Patreon. So, if I was getting 100,000 per video, then I would maybe break even, if I'm lucky. Make It has to be my favorite career gambler. Methyloxo. This one's more colloquial possible. Thank you so much. Farmer Main, would you like a blue nickname? Because you've passed the test. Would you like a blue nickname? To separate yourself from the peasants. I don't know. I see. Well, you have a free blue nickname pass in case you ever want a blue nickname in the streams, then just let me know and I'll make it happen. Now, okay, so it is methyloxo. And this is actually, the fact that it's methyloxo, you say the first one is passable. That actually would be a great segue. That actually would be a phenomenal segue to my next point. Or... He said the line. Said the thing! Do you like the color blue? That's the only requirement to get a blue name. Oh, I see. So it's this. Hold on. Methyloxo. Stuff. That doesn't seem right. Show me the numbers again. I am. There's the numbers. There we go. I'm out of coffee already. I really should have made a cup before I started the stream. But oh well, it happens. We can also get some music going. Since, well, I'm in the mood for some. And there we go. It's a really dry stream without the music, isn't it? Turn these two off, turn these two on. 8 methyloxo 5 methyl hydroxydecan. You did not... Hold on. Did you just say... 8 methyloxo 5 methyl hydroxydecan. Because, wait, so when you have a functional group, am I understanding this correctly? When you have a functional group, that group adds a suffix, and all the other groups just turn into not having a suffix, and instead being decomposed into the individual atoms. I'll try to find an example which maybe we could have in the IO pack, if I will find them, because all of them are fucking loop-de-loops. We need something with multiple functional groups that are different, distinct. All of them are loop-de-loops. All of them are loop-de-loops. Can I get something that's at least a clearer loop-de-loop? Boy, that's fun. What do you mean don't stop at the heterocycles? Just give me something with a functional group. It might be P3. I'm gonna go mad. Now P4, I guess, would have functional groups then, because it is mostly about functional groups. Piss, you know what? I'm just gonna trust you. I'm just gonna trust you. Or, what did you say exactly? Acid, there we go. 8 methyloxo. Okay, so first of all, I got it backwards, which is phenomenal. 8 methyloxo 5, and that's not methyl, only it's methyl hydroxy. Wait, shouldn't this be first of all, this is not, shouldn't be methyl, this should be methanol. So I already got this wrong. Methanol. There we go. Methyl hydroxy. And yeah, I suppose it would be a good time. A quick recap. Several such a methane is methyl. Yeah, but this is with a functional group of alcohol, so I thought it would be all, because you know, this is methyl, but then with this is methanol. It's so confusing always. Created gives us actually a very valuable insight into organic chemistry, because it's made up of 3 principles. First, we have chains made of carbons. So, ethane, propane, cyclohexane, so on, so forth. 2. We have certain unique. Are we making a script? Yes, we're working the video in general also. Oh, this finished rendering, finally. Sweet. So, atoms. Physical object, for example, sigma bonds can't rotate. So, sigma we want to... text green. Which will be, you won't believe it, green. 1/3 I meant, okay. Hydroxymethyl. I mean, that makes sense because it is methyl with a hydroxy at the end. Hydro being, of course, hydrogen, oxy, oxygen, like, that is what it is. But at the same time, hydroxy is just alcohol. I think methanol would also be fine. Don't mind the Ryan Gosling picture, by the way. That's important for all this stuff. 601. That's 6,000. And you. $600 done. It's literally me. Hi, the SpongeBob. Hi, welcome. I recently watched your video on how math gets difficult. I'm glad you liked them. I'm really glad. Love your vids. Oh, I'm glad you liked it too, Okay. Now, why can the sigma bond rotate whilst the pi bond can't? Phenomenal question. I'm so glad you asked. We're gonna need to make s orbitals and p orbitals. Which the problem is... orbitals, we have to make them using meta shapes. So we're gonna have... metaball, where's the metaball? There we go. Ball. And right here, a electron. We like to go into shading, and we want to create a nice shader for our electron, which would just look really sweet. Transmission, let's increase that bad boy, give it some yellow, because it's supposed to be an electron. Need volume. Not volume info, only volume, principal volume. I call the side group methanol because the hydroxy group is the main chain in the separate methanol. The main chain. I'm sorry, what did you just say? I wouldn't call the side group methanol because the hydroxy group is in the main chain in the separate methanol. I have no idea what that. I'm not an organic chemist enough to understand what that means. This usually crashes my PC, so if I crash all of a sudden, you know what happened. Actually, hold on, it's normalized. I can just use the color ramp directly. There we go. Increase detail, increase roughness. I'm just gonna go back. Multiply by 10 even. And then recut through it. Sweet! Lower the scale a bit. And we'll bring it back. Is that good enough? I wish Patrick was here. Only one comment is technically a chain. Yeah, but if it's the main chain in the separate methanol. What do you mean separate methanol? Hi the ninja, welcome. Okay. Why am I trying so hard with this? Lower the roughness bit and that's good enough. That's a Sigma orbital. You're welcome. And then just render it. I don't know how to describe my sorry. It's fine. It's organic chemistry. It's not making it any easier for any of us. Do a bigger chain with high priority functional group. Oh, I see. So since it's higher priority, I get it. Okay, so it was what I thought it was. That's good. It's organic chemistry. They have even IUPAC has so many goddamn exceptions. Where depending on the kind of functional group, you basically have 3 different methods of naming it, and it's just convention which one you choose. It's awful. It's so awful. All right, just let's make this smaller and let's just. Now that we got the shader, let's switch to something that won't give me a seizure. Make it smaller, bring it down. There we go. This will be our pi orbital. Well, p orbital, I mean. And one last thing, which is ellipsoid. And then there should be some way to influence it, correct? So I don't mean this kind of ellipsoid. Custom properties, texture space. That's not the ellipsoid I'm looking for. Add metabol. Is there a better shape maybe? There is the cube. The exceptions to the rule are longer than the rule. They really are! For giving the ability of playing God and making vinyl all disc into a fucking Adderall. That's the most organic chemistry take I've heard. Hold on, where is the best comment? There we go. Okay. That's just what organic chemistry are about. Just making Adderall, honestly. That's it. Ellipsoid. Can I really not edit it in any way? Oh, I can. There is edit mode for them. Ah. I see. Stiffness. Okay. There is edit mode for metaballs. Well. Do spill. First of all, give me some. There we go. And then texture space. Not auto. Wait, no. Oh, negative. I see how it works. Okay. Oh, piss. That won't be. So you can have a negative metaball. I love how the active element just disappears when you just do anything. That's fun. Orange is named orange because oranges are orange, or is orange named orange because oranges are orange? That is the question. I think it's because of the fruit, actually. But don't quote me on that. I don't know. So plain, then caps. No. What am I trying to do? A donut, maybe. Ellipsoid is kind of what I'm looking for, but that's not quite the right shape. The job. Oh, that's not what I meant. Oh my goodness, you can move it like this? That's annoying. That's not what I want. Z. Now there we go. That looks a whole lot more like a P orbital. That's better. Okay. Can I merge them together, or is that a no-no? Okay, I can't. That's good. That's fine. I can just parent them all to the top, whatever. There we go. Now we have a P orbital. Now we render it. Should be fine. Erase and shit in C#. Organic chemistry overdose. Okay. Head-on they form a sigma bond, which looks like this. Pupils come together, not head-on they form pi bond, which looks okay. There's gonna be a lot of rendering, not a lot of fun stuff, but a lot of rendering. Because of course. Kevin probably pointed to an orange at orange. Nobody understood he was talking about the color of fruit, so they probably just combo of orange just to be safe. I'm pretty certain orange is actually a relatively modern invention. I do believe. Like 200 or 300 years ago. Because oranges are a tropical fruit, so, you know. Probably wouldn't be easy exactly for British people to just get their hands on orange. I'm hungry. Oh, it's nighttime on a Monday? That's phenomenal! Oh my goodness! Oh, that's the best! Oh yeah, I love it so much. That's because stores open up on a Monday. There is... Oh, yes. What video is this? Hi there, Josh. This is the organic chemistry video. A video about organic chemistry. naming convention mostly. Because I find the naming convention in organic chemistry beautiful in a way, in a certain, if you squint. Okay, now we're gonna have start at 600 and gonna go up to 650, and we're going to just have the there we go. One thing which is quite annoying is the fact that this is dependent on the position. Fudge sticks. Fudge sticks. I might need to re-render this simply because I got this wrong, because it should texture, coordinate, and object, correct? Like this. Now if I move it around, that's not gonna tell me nothing. Oh, and this isn't reflecting actually. Oh, piss. That is not gonna tell me nothing. I need to unplug the surface, look into the volume. Okay, doesn't seem quite right. Generated. No. Object. Make it hate it. I hope you'll dunk on it. I'll see what I can do. Of course I'm gonna die. It's organic chemistry, easy target. Okay, that's... It is changing as we move it. But is the other one changing as we move it? That's not quite what I wanted. Generated? No, I want you to not move. UV. And yeah, for the volume, it's smart. How about we get texture, coordinate or input, something with input. 1 plus 1 half plus 1 third plus 1 fourth, 1 fifth, 1 sixth, 1 seventh, 1 eighth, 1 ninth. Forever, you say. 1 half, 1 third. Would it converge? Wouldn't that be infinity? Hold on. Does it converge on anything? 1 tenth, 1... That's actually a good question. Hold on. I can... 1 plus 1 half plus 1 third. I mean, that's 1 third. Make it 1 half plus 1 third. Does it go off to infinity or does it converge on something? Oh, at some point they are going to get really small. How small? And for this. This might be my ADHD moment, honestly. ADHD moment, because I just got sidetracked immediately. Now I'm thinking about this. What would be the new sum? Okay, so 1 plus 1 half, that's 2 seconds. Okay, so first we start with 1. It's so much easier to write in Blender, honestly. It just feels better writing in Blender. So 1 first, then we have 2 second plus 1 second, which is 3 second. Then we have 3 third plus 1.5 third plus 1 third, which is 5.5 third. Then we have 4/4 plus 2/4 plus 1/3 fourth, one. Ah, piss. Okay, it's. I shouldn't be doing it this way, should I? Yeah, because right here, I should find the common one instead of doing it in a silly way. 1/2 plus 1/3. That's times 2, which is equal to 6. 6 plus 3/6 plus 2/6, which is equal to 9 11/6, which does so far follow the trend of x times, well, I'm glad I picked x, a times 2 minus 1. That's so far, just from looking at it. Then we have 4/4 plus 1/2 plus 1/3 plus 1/4, which is equal to, let's do it 12s, why not 12/12 plus 6/12 plus 3/4, because we multiply it by 4, we multiply by 4/12 plus 3/12, which is equal to 9 13. Uh-oh, 13. That's 13. There's 25/12, which does not follow in the trend because it's more than double now. So 1.5 right here we have. It's closer to 2. Right here we have over 2. So how much do we add each time? Each time we add a smaller portion. I feel like it's geometrically would be easier to represent for some reason. $25. We add 1/5. We at 6. This one's 24. That's 120. Let's look in terms of 120s. 120, 120s, then plus 60, 120s, plus 1/3, that's 40, 120s, that's plus 30, 120s, and that's plus, divide by 5, 24, 120s. How quickly do these fall off each time? My head hurts just thinking about this already. I'm not a mathematician. Let's guess 180, that's 100, 220, 250, 274. 274, that's over a double, of course. Will it ever get it to a 3? The question is basically, would the sums ever be able to overtake the... Isn't this, by the way, Riemann zeta function? It looks similar to the Riemann zeta function, if I do remember correctly. Except I think it's missing a square. Right? Yeah, okay, it's missing... Well, not the square, only a power, sorry. Oh, so it's okay, so it's a Riemann zeta function at 1. Real S is greater than 1. And it's unlike... Okay, so... Huh, that's curious, okay. I don't mean to be that guy, but this is a Riemann zeta function for S is equal to 1. And Riemann zeta function seems to be only defined for things greater than 1. I don't mean to be that guy. Analytic continuation elsewhere. This seems like the analytic continuation of the Riemann zeta function. I almost got chucked into a rabbit hole. And a pretty bad one at that. So yeah. So let's leave it there then. How about that? Because clearly And let's get back to the thing. So what we want is we want input. And want input geometry, object info, particle info, point info, maybe. Position? No. Because as we move this, the other one also moves, which is not really what I want. Hold on, as we move this though... Oh, the first one moves as well. That's even worse. If I remove this though... They do move the other one. How? Why am I supposed to fix that? I accidentally give you a similar Riemann hypothesis question. You gave me the Riemann zeta function at s is equal to 0, which is a pretty famous unsolved problem. Or rather, what analytic continuation is. Wait, that's a real s is equal to 1. I'm still thinking about this. Damn it, I should focus on the video. Yeah, for real s is greater than 1, s is right here. We have a real s is equal to 1. How do I keep the texture static when the object itself is moving? Because that's basically what I want. What is it? Confirm main. Take your pills. That is funny, okay. That is funny, but take your pills. Am I an idiot? Why am I not getting this right? From instance, how about thou? Oh no, this just turns them off. Okay, cool. We could also do the camera always. Camera could work actually. Yeah, let's do camera, why not? There we go. So now we want to re-render this image. Now bye bye SpongeBob, have a good one. Camera will do the trick, just nice. Oh, this will take ages to render the animations. Why am I using a volume, a transparent thingamajig, and metaballs? I'm doing it to myself, honestly. I have no one else to blame. Okay, there we go. Now I want you to focus in on the ball, if you don't mind. There we go. And render. I can do zoomer speed because I am a zoomer. That's not the reason. That is not the reason. That's society moment for you. I'm out of coffee. Piss. I'm out of coffee already. And the video is dying and it's making me feel bad. Because of that, god damn it. I'm hungry. Everything sucks. Anyway, how is everyone doing? How are you all y'all's days going for you all? I want to sleep. Then go to sleep if you want to sleep. Simple solution to a simple problem. Bye, Greg. Bye. Have a good one. Good night. Good night. My he wants to learn to make ships in Blender, but I need dopamine for it. Kinda jealous of you knowing Blender. Kinda know it. I mean, I've been making stuff in Blender for 4 years, so just do stuff in Blender for 4 years. Eventually you get there. Tried and true. Wait, you wanna make ships in Blender? What do you mean ships? Like sailing the 5 seas kind of ships, or... Expands fully Newtonian ships. What does that mean? What does that even mean? Oh my goodness. Expands fully Newtonian ship. Oh, spaceship. Okay, you could have just said spaceship. I would have gotten that. A spaceship. You wanna make spaceships? You thought I watched The Expanse. Never heard of it. Expanse. Series. Huh. Rich girl and political activist links the that looks curious. I might watch it. 9.4 in the second, 9.3 in the 5th season. How do you manage to get 9 stars in 5th season? That's really impressive. I think I'll watch it then. I'm all in for sci-fi. Just fun. I'm glad I'm rendering this. We might end today's streams early, you know, actually. Because I am hungry, and the shops will open soon. And so I am gonna go to the shops. So, that was fun. Thank you so much, Farming, for the help, by the way. You have helped me a lot. I'm gonna go eat something real quick, finish scripting the video, and then go to the shops, then come back, then work on the video some more, and the video should be finished next 3 days, 4 maybe, I think, I hope, fingers crossed, I guess. And for now, I suppose that'll be it. Thank you everyone so much for watching, and have a great day. Bye.